Peeps stuffy. We have too much and our house have a little bit of space. So we're going to Dollar Tree.
And we're going to buy a little bit of stuff for Peeps.
Yeah.
$1.
It's okay, Leo. Come back. Ah! No, not that fall. Okay. So it's okay, Leo. We're just gonna go to Walmart. Just because Walmart has more people.
And my name is Leo.
Today we're back and we're going to show you so much of the things that we got, like the gummies. And Leo is going to show the basic. It's going to show this first.
So it's a stuffy, but not a stuffy.
Regular.
Look at. You see the circle when you open it? And then you see the side boards? And then take this out.
Do you need some help?
Yes. Then pull it out.
Turning. What's falling? That's falling.
And if I'm falling to this.
Yay! And we're going to review these three. Hello Kitty, Blue, and Pink.
Okay, let's open it. We never opened it before.
First, we're going to open.
Now let's open it! And 1, 2, 3, go!
Rainbow Peeps new bottle. Game Boy Peep. What? Game Boy Peep. Oh! Its name is, it's Flower Peep. And look at this collection.
Yeah.
So
The
let's
final one.
2, 1. Kitty, My Melody, Kadopi, Black Penguin, Karomi, Cinnamon Roll, and the one we got, Pudding. Those three are the peeps that we found in the 3 mystery eggs. Game Boy Peep, Flower Peep, and Pudding Peep.
So the next one we're gonna see is this. So we're gonna open it and pry it for Shika. Oh yeah, I think the scissors can help.
Cheers! And 1, 2, 3.
It's so punchy.
Oh,
It can.
it tastes like the ones like the Peep Talk. Don't eat all of them in one day because you'll get cavities. flower pot and pudding. Even in Walmart, we found these water bottles. So let's try the water bottle. Cheers.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers. Ow.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some water over my face. Pink water. That's so good. I mean, very good. Ooh, this will be our new Easter basket. Last year we just got an Easter basket that's pink with only pea pictures. Now we got a real pea Easter basket. Best Easter basket ever.
But it's good because blue my favorite color.
And pink is my favorite color. So we have a tasty treat for you. It's a peep, not edible. Donut peep!
Donut. And one smell? They smell like donut.
Smells like Kool-Aid, not donut. Anyways, this tasty treat smells so good. Just kidding. So, it's not fun.
And you think there's a ball, but not a shiny.
I got this.
And I got a color.
I buy these socks at Dollar Tree. So guys, I forgot our peep shirts.
Yeah.
I got the peep shirt. It said for Easter we decided to do the big challenge. We got to 2 stores and we got some peeps. Yeah! See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.